Hey guys, back with another video here. Today I'm going to be playing with my friend Jacob. That
Hello.
we are right now in a phone call, so you might not be able to hear him as well. Oh, I wasn't even paying attention when I got 15k.
I'm waiting.
We've been playing this for like 5 minutes.
Taking
We've been playing this for like 5 minutes to just like start off because always the boring stuff that you do is always the stuff that you do in the beginning is quite boring. So we didn't.
And then I completed the first floor.
Yeah, Jacob somehow went on a spree and completed literally everything. Ooh, dude, I get battle. Bro, I get a battle. I get bombs. Bro, I get bombs and a speed up.
You spawned him a speed up?
I just nuked myself. I just nuked myself with a bomb. Don't grab the bombs. Do not grab the bombs.
How nice. Ooh, I see the bomb, and I like it.
Go ahead, try it. And press it when you get close to it.
Alright, got the last upgrader. Let's see how much money I make per second.
I get the speed and jump coil.
Oh my god, I make 310 just for one product.
Dude, I get battle axes. What? And
Dude, I'm literally making like $10,000 every 10 seconds.
Hey, Jacob, look up to your, oops, did not work.
Oops, it's not working. Dude, I'm gonna get to 150k. No, stop dropping bombs in my prison.
Hello, my friend. Hello.
I am Master Gogapa.
No, not that again. No. Not Master Gogapa. You guys won't know that meme because we were talking about it in class.
Alright, I'm gonna hit your table now and blow it up.
No, I'm going to bomb you first. Bang! Oh, no, not the Harley Quinn hammer. Not the Harley Quinn hammer. Bro, watch what happens. Like, watch, let me bomb you. Watch, let me bomb and show you how far you launch. Watch, I'll bomb you. Hold on, watch.
Oh, I got you. Oh, no.
Bomb! No, watch. You won't lose money, I promise. Watch. When your arms is gone. Okay, ready? Boom.
I lost one of my arms.
Watch, I'm gonna come drop some bombs on you with a nice little present. Welcome present.
I'm at 100k.
Bang! Oh, it didn't work.
Why are you so tall?
Cause I transferred my character to R6. I transferred my character to R6 instead of R15. I think I might be saying that wrong. No hate in the comments. The speed up's quite useful. No, I like having comments on so people can talk about my
video. Hey, you already got to the second.
Oh, dude, on one of my videos, guys, you don't know about this, but or you might have clicked the link on one of my videos. There's a link in somebody posted down there, Tina Fey, I think. And it's like a inappropriate website.
Don't tell them, dude.
Don't click it. Don't click it. Please don't click it. I have.
You realize you're making it seem like you want them to click it.
No, I'm not. I don't want them to click it. Usually children watch my videos.
Exactly. Children who think you're being sarcastic and you're like, hey, click it.
Please, no, I'm not being sarcastic. Do not click that link under any circumstances.
I just bought a 3rd floor.
I'm almost ready to finish my second, or the inmates on the second thing.
How much money do you have?
7 grand, 8 grand.
You're not even close to shit.
I have 3 or 4 inmates.
I know, you need like 10 inmates on that thing.
Here's my speed coil. Jacob, did you grab a speed coil?
What's a speed coil? Oh, I see that.
It's the red one.
Thank you, speed coil. I'm out of space though.
Click, you know the button right above the escape button, or right below the escape button, it looks like it's an N mark. Press it, and then drag your things into your inventory. Drag the items that you don't want into your inventory. So right now I
need to buy a conveyor for 50k, okay.
That'll take a while.
I think this has a never-ending amount of floors. Maybe that's just me, but that's kind of my feeling.
Imagine. No. Bomb.
No, stop.
I'm going to...
Imagine I then used Robux and got times 2 cash. I would be winning everything.
I think next time I get sponsored, which won't be for a while. When
You're never gonna get sponsored.
I'm gonna get sponsored. If I get sponsored,
it'll happen someday.
If I eventually get sponsored, I think I might do a partnership with Honey. It's free money. I'm not sponsored by the way.
Dude, guess what my guys are making?
What?
They're making AK-47s now.
No joke. What?
I'm not even kidding.
Oh my gosh, you're right. Wow.
This has got dark.
Yes, it has. Yes, it has. 9 grand, 10 grand. I'm smart.
1 second, I gotta mute myself.
Purchase. Oh, 6 grand. Ah! I just jumped out of the prison. I'm gonna go rob the bank.
Right,
I'm gonna go rob a bank. There's a bank over here. I'm about to rob it.
Wait, how do you rob banks?
There's a place called the bank, and you can go into it. And then there looks to be something.
Oh, and then you use your Harley hammer.
Oh no! It's like a little parkour thing that you do. I hate parkour speed. Why did you just blow me up, kid? This kid just got... Careful, there are kids in here robbing... There are kids in there robbing the bank. We should go raid them. Let's go raid them. Grab your speed coil and your jump coil.
No, I can't get a speed coil.
Why?
Because it broke, and I'm sad. No,
just do escape bar enter. Dude, just do escape bar enter.
No.
Purchase them.
Because it's not gonna save my progress.
No, it does. It does. Escape R enter. No, escape R enter is reset your character.
Whatever. No.
I've done escape R enter. I promise. Oh, there are people robbing the bank and going down there with my bazooka.
You know that bazooka like never reloads ever.
I know, but I have the fire spell too.
Oh my god.
Bro, I'm doing like a real bomb raid, bro. Come here, Green. Come here, Green.
I'm watching the conveyor belt, and I'm making like $1,000 every second.
Okay, I'm gonna head back to the bank and make some money. Bro, it gives you like 10 grand every time you step foot in there. It's amazing.
Really?
Yeah, it's quite OP.
Dude.
It's of the OP.
My dealership was just deleted.
What do you mean your dealership?
Oh no, it wasn't.
What do you mean?
Half of yours, I think. Oh no. Oh, okay. That was weird. I'm not used to having 3 floors.
I'm robbing the bank. I'm robbing the bank. Man, I just made $1,000 bucks. Bro, dude, come down to the bank. It's so OP, my guy.
I'm making $2,000 a second, man.
No, but it's like really OP. Speed up.
Dude, you've made no money according to the thing.
Well, I haven't gone and collected money in a while, and I died.
Okay, I'll buy a carpet for some strange reason.
Oh, there's 40 grand in my inventory.
Okay, I'm gonna need to buy a bunch of 25k givers.
Bro, you're getting higher.
What do you mean I'm getting higher?
Like, your place just keeps going up. I need 50 grand for the upgrader. That'll take a while.
Yeah, I'm literally making 10k.
I'm not even gonna go for the weapons. I'm just gonna have the speed up thing. It's kind of OP.
Someone keeps bazookaing our base. Is that you?
No, I think it's red. They kind of hate us. And so does green.
Why
Red
do
and
they
green.
hate us?
Red and
Oh
green.
my goodness! You can get a phoenix from Harry Potter.
What? Oh! I know what it does. I know what it does. You can fly in it. I know what it is. I know what it does. I know what it does. You can fly in it. I've seen the thing before.
Yeah, I'm gonna go out and hit red with a roll.
That seems like you can buy a pistol. Oh, bro, I got a lugger pistol. Bang, 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 kitchen gun. Bang, bang, bang.
Oh, this guy didn't get an owner door. Bye bye, red.
Bro, that's mean. You know, that seems like a good place to end the video here at 26 grand. See you guys next time. Please subscribe, subscribe. See you next time. Peace out.